here with Tiffany Middleton from Mortgage Choice to talk about what we can do if we feel like our family car needs to grow a little with our growing family. Hi, Tiffany.
Hi, Kate.
Tell me, can a mortgage choice broker help families to get a car loan, and how can you do that?
Yes, we can. As well as home loans, we also do car loans, and we have access to over 40 different car finance lenders, so we can find one that's going to suit your needs.
How does getting a car loan differ from getting a home loan?
Getting a car loan is similar process. So what we do is we basically have a look at your situation, your expenses. We take into account your mortgage repayments and your childcare fees and everything else to design a budget for your car. And then we have a look at what's the best scenario for you.
Tiffany, what should families be aware of when looking at a car loan?
There's a few things that we have to have a look at. One, usually cars go down in value, so you probably want to think about having a car that's going to last you at least 5 years. So having a look at your future, are you planning on having more children? What's going to happen as far as the size of a car?
If a family has a car loan and they'd like to apply for a home loan, will the car loan affect their chances of getting a home loan?
Basically, whenever you get any type of lending, we actually have a look at all your expenses and any repayments you have to make. So yes, the repayments on the car loan will impact your borrowing capacity.
And having all these relationships with different lenders, whether it be for a car loan or a home loan, you know all the different options out there, right?
Correct, yeah.
So you're very well positioned to help me find the right fit for a loan for my family's needs.
Exactly, and everyone's family situation is different and everyone ends up with a different type of loan.
What things should parents look for before they sign on the dotted line to take that new car home with them?
Basically, what we have to do is have a look at your budget and what your ability to pay it back is. So we need to take into account any other debts that you have and what your expenses are, like your mortgage repayments and childcare fees. We then also have to think about, when you get the car, all the other costs associated with it. So you're going to have to pay insurance, registration, petrol, or maybe electricity, whatever else, and add that to your budget as well.
If you're thinking it might be time to upgrade your family car to something a little bit bigger and you'd like to start exploring car loans, a Mortgage Choice broker is just a phone call away. They're here to help us find car loans, home loans, and maybe even a loan to help you with that renovation. If you'd like some more information, head to careforkids.com.au/mortgagechoice.